Which fruit can help keep your teeth white? A. Apple. What is the average number of times a person blinks in a minute? B. 15 times. Which body part never stops growing? C. Ears. Which side of a cupcake do most people eat first? C. Top. How many taste buds does the average human have? C. 10,000. Which animal has the largest eyes in the world? C. Ostrich. What is the rarest M&M color? B. Brown. How long does it take for a baby to double its birth weight? A. 3 months. Which country has the most time zones? B. Russia. How many Q-tips are sold in the US every year? B. 500 million. Which of the following is the deepest known point on Earth? B. Mariana Trench. What is the only planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise? A. Venus. Which of the following is the driest place on Earth? B. Atacama Desert. What is the largest living structure on Earth? B. Great Barrier Reef. Which of the following is the hottest place on Earth? C. Danakil Desert, Ethiopia. What is the longest mountain range on Earth? C. Andes. Which of the following is the oldest known tree species on Earth? B. Bristlecone pine. What is the coldest inhabited place on Earth? B. Oymyakon, Russia. Which of the following is the largest desert on Earth? C. Antarctic Desert. What is the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth? C. Rhenium. Which sport uses a ball that weighs between 11 and 12 ounces? C. Baseball. In which sport are the players not allowed to use their hands or arms? A. Soccer. What color is the center circle of an official Olympic basketball court? A. Blue. Which sport uses a net that is 5 feet high at the center and 7 feet high at the posts? B. Volleyball. What is the maximum number of clubs that a golfer can carry during a round? B. 14. Which sport holds the record for the fastest throwing ball? C. Cricket. In which sport is a home run considered the best possible outcome? C. Baseball. What is the only sport to have been played on the moon? A. Golf. Which sport was originally played with a pig's bladder? B. Soccer. What is the oldest known sport in the world? B. Running. Which famous company started out as a mail-order watch business? A. Rolex. Which company used to sell playing cards before becoming a tech giant? C. Nintendo. Which company was originally founded as a bookstore before dominating the online retail space? C. Amazon. Which fast food chain was originally a barbecue restaurant before focusing on burgers and fries? A. McDonald and Number 39. S. Which popular social media platform was initially created as a way for college students to connect? C. Facebook. Which company was founded by a former janitor who wanted to create environmentally friendly cleaning products? B. Method. Which iconic toy company began as a printing company producing playing cards and board games? B. Hasbro. Which tech company started in a garage developing software for microcomputers before becoming a global giant? A. Microsoft. Which popular streaming service started out mailing DVDs before introducing online streaming? C. Netflix. Which sportswear brand was originally known as Blue Ribbon Sports before changing its name? C. Nike. What is the largest organ in the human body? C. Skin. How many taste buds does the average human tongue have? C. 10,000. Which part of the body is known as the body's master gland? C. Pituitary gland. How many muscles does it take to smile? C. 22. What is the scientific term for the kneecap? B. Patella. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 206. What is the hardest substance in the human body? A. Enamel. Which organ can regenerate itself to some extent? A. Liver. What is the only part of the body that has no blood supply? A. Cornea. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? B. Stapes. Which animal can rotate its head up to 270 degrees? A. Owl. Which animal can regrow its limbs if they are lost? A. Starfish. Which animal can hibernate for up to 8 months without eating? A. Bear. Which animal has the ability to change its color to match its surroundings? A. Chameleon. Which animal can survive without water for months by extracting moisture from the food it eats? A. Camel. Which animal has the largest eyes relative to its body size? A. Tarsier. Which animal can't jump? A. Elephant. Which animal has the ability to mimic human speech? A. Parrot. Which animal has the longest tongue relative to its body size? C. Sea anteater. Which animal has the strongest bite force of any mammal? A. Hippo. Which of the following animals can sleep with their eyes open? B. Cat. What is the world record for the longest recorded jump by a rabbit? C. 8 feet. Which animal has the ability to predict earthquakes? C. Catfish. What percentage of a cat's bones are in its tail? A. 10%. Which bird can mimic human speech and sounds? A. Parrot. Which pet is believed to have 9 lives in folklore? C. Cat. Which pet can see in complete darkness? C. Snake. What is the average lifespan of a goldfish? B. 10 years. Which animal can walk on water? B. Cat. What is the hairless breed of cat called? A. Sphinx. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? A. Eating late at night will make you gain more weight. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? C. You only use 10% of your brain. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? B. Shaving makes hair grow back thicker. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? C. You can sweat out toxins. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? B. Reading in dim light will damage your eyesight. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? A. Men think about sex every 7 seconds. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? C. Alcohol kills brain cells. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? A. Using a cell phone at a gas station can cause an explosion. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? A. You should starve a fever and feed a cold. Which of the following is a myth you need to stop believing? A. Exercise always results in weight loss. Which of the following is a strange ability that only a few people can do with their body? C. Touch their nose with their tongue. What is a rare body skill that only some individuals possess? A. Bend their thumb all the way back to their wrist. Which of the following is a unique body talent that only a small percentage of people can do? B. Dislocate their shoulder at will. What is an unusual physical ability that few individuals are capable of? A. Curl their tongue into a clover shape. Which of the following is a bizarre body skill that only a select few can perform? A. Lick their own elbow. What is an extraordinary physical ability that only some people possess? A. Flex their thumb to touch their forearm. Which of the following is an uncommon body talent that only a minority can do? A. Raise one eyebrow independently. What is a peculiar physical ability that only a small portion of the population can demonstrate? A. Cross their eyes in opposite directions. Which of the following is an odd body skill that only a limited number of individuals possess? A. Raise both eyebrows independently. What is an unusual physical talent that only a few people have? A. Extend their tongue past their chin. A sticky substance used to hold papers together was created by accident. What is it called? C. Post-it note. This sweet treat was invented when a chocolate bar accidentally fell into a campfire. What is it called? C. S'mores. This popular drink was created when a pharmacist left a glass of water near his open window, allowing carbon dioxide to dissolve in it. What is it called? A. Soda. This toy was originally invented as a wallpaper cleaner but became popular with children when it was discovered it could bounce. What is it called? A. Slinky. This medication was initially developed to treat angina but was found to have a side effect that led to its use in treating erectile dysfunction. What is it called? B. Viagra. This popular snack food was created when a batch of dough was accidentally overcooked. What is it called? A. Potato chips. The microwave oven was invented after a scientist noticed a chocolate bar had melted in his pocket due to accidental exposure to this technology. What is it called? B. Microwaves. This dish was created when a chef accidentally dropped pasta into a pot of boiling water. What is it called? B. Spaghetti. This musical instrument was invented when a member of the French horn family was mistakenly chopped to a shorter length, changing its tone. What is it called? B. Trombone. This modern convenience was created when a scientist stumbled upon the material during a failed experiment. What is it called? A. Velcro.